Hi po, ako po si Dirk Pinad M. Mandiklik and yung role ko po sa movie ay bully po.
Bully ka doon! Napupuyat mo maging isang bully. Kasama si...
Di naman po.
Mas mahirap yung nabubully, no?
Opo.
Kaya ngayon, siguro, after this movie, matutunan natin na siguro, huwag na lang yung mga bully na yan. Alam natin yung feeling, no?
Opo.
Very good. Okay, next.
Hello po, ako po si Stanley Clark Perez Acosta. And just like Dirk, I am also a bully. And
Bully ka din! Oh my God! First time mo ba mong bubully?
yes po actually.
Hindi mo ba na-experience sa totoong buhay?
Hindi ko pa na-experience.
Not personally.
Hindi pa po. Pero I see that it's really harmful to others. And it can break their confidence and feelings.
That's true. Ang ganda ng may idea din kayo kung ano yung effect mo sa ibang tao. Kasi yung mga ibang bata, hindi nila alam. Gusto na naman kung mag-have fun, at yung mag-bully lang sa iba. Hindi nila alam, di ba?
hindi ko alam ng bully ko kung experience na I'm bullying him because of his hallucinations. It's really sad.
Pogi! Okay, good job. Okay, next.
Hi, ako po si Achilles Ador at ako po ay isang
Bully din?
kapatid po ni Ivo. Kapatid po ni Ivo at ako po yung nagsisilbing parang po niyang guardian pag wala po yung tatay namin.
Ikaw yung parang kuya-kuya niya talaga. Responsible. Very good.
Hello, I'm Pochi Angeles. I acted as Sean Patrick sa Breaking the Silence. Ako ang kuya ni Zach and kuya ng lahat.
Ay, nice.
So there you have, we have all the kids, the roles, and what their characters are. And now, of course, moving over here to the producers of the movie Breaking the Silence. Can you tell us a little bit about the movie?
Alright, so the movie is about mental health awareness and bullying. So it's
It's our double bully.
yes,
Correct.
and it's about the love of family and friends, how it helps heal a person who's undergoing that situation. Yes.
Whenever you say you got the name Breaking the Silence, what does the name, the title mean to you?
So it's you have to speak up. So majority of the children or people who's having experience or who's experiencing this kind of situation, they try to keep it